Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gmail app, the free email app by Google that helps you send, receive and organize your emails from anywhere. Gmail is a Google's free email service and the Gmail app lets you access your inbox on your smartphone or tablet. With over a billion users, it's secure, easy to use and comes with built-in spam protection, search features and integration with other Google apps like Drive and Calendar. Now, to use it, first you need to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So go to your app store, search Gmail on your search bar at the top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and you have the install option right there. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once opened up, sign in using Gmail address and password. If you don't have one, tap create account to set one up. Now, once you're in, the main screen shows your inbox where all new mails arrive. Here you can see all your new mails arrive. Then at the bottom or side you see tabs like primary, and then at the bottom or side you see tabs like primary for personal emails, promotions for deals or ads, social for updates from social media. Now to read and reply to emails. Tap any email to open it. Tap any email to open it. Tap any email to open it. Then you can reply, forward or delete using the icons at the bottom. Here's the reply button, and besides that you can see the forward option right here, so you can do this. Then you can also attach photos or files using the paperclip icon right here. At the top of the page you'll have the paperclip icon, and here you can see the options of photos, cameras, files and drives, and you can attach files or photos using these. Then tap the blue compose button at the bottom right to compose a new email. Enter the recipient's email at here. Enter the recipient's email, then add a subject line and then write your message and tap send in the top right here. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page right here to search for specific emails by keyword, name or subject. You can also label star or archive emails to stay organized. Then go to the settings under the menu where you can add multiple Gmail accounts, change notifications, set swipe actions like swipe to delete or archive. And that is how you can use the Gmail app. I hope you guys like this video, like if you did, and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.